the Jinju Namgang Udiung Festival held in October. I came here to capture the beauty of its lights. A gentle breeze drifts along the Namgang River, and the calm waters in front of Jinjuseong Fortress carry the quiet of the day. But soon, this tranquil river will awaken with thousands of glowing lanterns. As the sun sets and darkness falls, the night of Jinju awakens once again. Lanterns begin to rise one by one over the Namgang River. These lights aren't just decorations, they're pieces of stories passed down through time. The tradition of floating lanterns here traces back to the Imjin War at Jinjuseong. It's said that soldiers once floated lanterns on the river to watch the enemy's movements and send signals of safety. Now those lanterns no longer signal war, but shine as symbols of peace, remembrance, and hope. The countless lights reflected on the Namgang River feel like people's wishes slowly drifting toward the sky. All across the Namgang River and inside Jinjuseong Fortress, colorful lanterns glow, painting the night in light. History, tradition, and the stories of people come together as one single light. Music fills the riverside, with performances unfolding across Jinjuseong and the Namgang River. As sound and light blend together, the city itself becomes one grand stage of celebration. As the night deepens, the energy grows stronger. At the Lantern DJ party, everyone joins in the rhythm, as lights and beats ripple along the Namgang River. And then, built from the wishes of countless people, a tunnel of lanterns stretches endlessly into the night. Walking through the glow, everyone is reminded of a wish in their heart. When the night sky is completely covered in darkness, the festival reaches its peak. Drones rise into the air, painting Jinju's night sky with thousands of lights. The lights ripple like waves, followed by fireworks bursting over the Namgang River. In that moment, the sky, the river, and the eyes of the people unite as one. Here, the night of Jinju is complete, in light and in heart.